Welcome to today's session, and today we'll in the last session I was talking about something called sense memory. Sense memory के बारे में मैं बात कर रहा था, and I hope you people have understood the concept and try to do that exercises which I was talking about. Especially the sense of sight. Sense of sight I was discussing. And same as sense of hearing also, you can do the same exercise. You can repeat that. With that, all those exercises, I hope you are practicing it. Earlier, I've asked you to do something on observation exercises of different ages, like 0 to 5 and 50 to 55 or up to 50 years. I got only one video. One response, that is Sushil Kumar Singh has sent me the one video of his practice, and I've also talked about the space writing exercise which I was talking about. You have to write alphabets using your space, using your both hands, and your letter size is supposed to be life size, which I was explained you, and I have also forwarded one model video which we used to practice in the classroom scenario, which we have done at our headquarters. I hope you have seen that small video of a couple of minutes where many learners were practicing this space writing exercise. I didn't get any response from you people about this space writing also. So you try to practice it, and because that is the movement exercise which we usually do, and with that resource we would like to make many more exercises out of it. So try to practice that space writing exercise regularly. It will be a physical exercise as well as the movement exercise.
Sir, Supreme Jerome, can I speak something?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, that exercise of vowels which you had done, I did a practice of that, and I take in school I take drama for grade 1 to 3. I did it with them also, and I did it myself, and it works out really very nice.
Okay, I would like to see those responses. You see, once you practice that, you need to send me a small video out of that, so that I may be knowing that whether you people are doing it right or not.
Okay, sir.
So I will
just make a video of it today and send it to you then.
Yeah, please. Even with your studios or students also, is there any possibility of making the video? You can make a small video and you can.
So we are having online classes. I did it online actually.
Okay, online. If you are recording, then it's fine. Okay, done. So today I'm going to talk something about the physical activities which we were doing. Very simple exercises I was talking about, that was one exercise which I was talking. I have given a number of exercises like, seeing through window, seeing through window and opening a door. And I have given a list. If you remember, you people remember, I have given some 10 to 15 exercises. Just simple physical exercises, physical activities. Rather, we call them as physical actions, only physical actions which I have asked you to do. Like just opening a door or peeping through window, and searching for a ring, sleeping on the ground, crawling on the ground with your both the hands, and arranging some furniture, okay, and lighting up the fire, and then opening a package, and crawling, I already told you, digging on the ground, okay, exercising, maybe writing on the paper or a surface, and tearing a paper. Okay, who is that? Somebody was trying to talk.
Sir, एक lastly final step.
Aji? 5 steps. Very good. 5 steps. Done. So now what we are going to do is we are going to punctuate our actions. You know punctuation? Punctuation. While speaking or even for while writing also, we will do, what we will do is we put full stop, we put comma, we put question marks, And also we will try to put some exclamatory marks and all that stuff, isn't it? We will try to punctuate whatever we are writing. It means that we will be fixing the grammar of that particular text which we are going to prepare. How, if somebody is going to read out, how he or she is going to read out that. Once you put a comma, it means that there is a gap. There is some pause. We are supposed to take a pause, then we'll put a comma. And there is a complete meaning ends with a sentence. There we will put a full stop. If you are asking a question, we are put a question mark. If there is an आश्चर्यार्थक है तो वहाँ पे हम explanatory mark रख देते हैं, है ना? We will do punctuation, or we will put in quotes if that is very important word or sentence. It should be given importance. Then we will put it in inverted commas and all that stuff. So all that is going in a, we call them it as a punctuation of your language. Now, we are punctuating the physical actions right now in the acting class. What is punctuation in acting class? Means if you are doing a physical activity, like I said, just peeping through window, that is one simple action. So this action needs to be punctuated in terms of starting, okay, in the middle and at the end. So the action is just peeping through window, okay. This simple action need to be punctuated in starting. Starting में हम क्या करेंगे, middle में क्या करेंगे, और at the end of action हम what we are going to do, okay. Peeping through window is just a simple action. Just I am peeping through window and then maybe just peeping through window. This is my action. So if this action needs to be punctuated, how I will start with? What motivates me to peep through window? Maybe the first action, isn't it? What motivates me to peep through window will be my first action. And the second action would be, I'm just seeing what is just suppose my first action would be like, there is some sound outside and then I've just heard, and then I'm just peeping through window and I could find some action, and then that's all, the end. I got some idea, I've seen some action happening there or something I have seen there. Okay. For you or all of them? My voice.
So your voice was blocked at the middle from the second action when you were explaining. That time you got stuck.
Okay, but my now it is clear. Is it
yes,
clear?
Sir. Your voice is clear now.
Yes, what I'm trying to say is, what in every action you have to plan 3 actions within that. First is the starting point of that action. What is going to happen in the middle? And what is going to happen at the end of that action. This is the way you have to punctuate each and every action. This is the exercise right now you are going to do.
Okay,
not
sir.
now.
मतलब framing करके उनको put करना है.
हाँ जी, मतलब ये हुआ कि मैं खिड़की से देख रहा, मुझे खिड़की में झांक कर देखना है. अगर ये एक्शन है तो इस एक्शन को हम कैसे पंक्चुएट करेंगे, कैसे उसको फिनिश करेंगे. उस एक्शन को मैं 3 विभागों में बांट रहा हूं. एक तो पहला एक्शन होगा, पहला एक्शन होगा, उसमें आप डिसाइड कर सकते हैं कि आपका पहला एक्शन क्या होगा, आपका बीच वाला एक्शन क्या होगा, आपका एंड ऑफ दैट एक्शन. उस एक्शन खत्म हो जाएगा जैसे ही आप तीसरा एक्शन करेंगे, वो एक्ट को एंड करेंगे आप. तो दीज आर द व्हाट इज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, मिडिल पॉइंट, एंड पॉइंट. व्हाट आई मीन टू से.
Sir, you are muted.
Wow, what is happening today? So what I'm saying is, if there is a story, there will be a starting point, there will be a middle point, and the end of the story, isn't it?
Yes.
Similarly, for each and every action, we need to develop a starting point and a middle point and an end point. To think about it right now.
Sir,
So,
can just to see if my understanding is clear. Like for example, I'm waiting for someone. Or so the starting action will be, I'll be looking at the watch just to see the time. I suppose someone was supposed to come by 7 o'clock, the person has not come. So I look at my watch. Second action, I peep through the window, and when I see in the window the person is come near the down, I smile, and the action ends there. Is that what you're trying to say? The three actions.
See, these assumptions which you are now telling me, that will be your own. I am not going to impose anything. I'm not going to give you any kind of
I just wanted,
I just
wanted an example to understand.
That's fine. They are fine. They are very good. So what I mean to say, each and every person, each and every learner in this group, now try to identify. I'm going to give you the list, and for each action, you are going to identify a starting point, a middle point, and an end point. What happens is, I have said 3 actions, but in between also there can be some other actions also. But you must try to identify for each action 3 actions. Each action, 3 action में complete होना ये जरूरी नहीं है. There can be 100 different actions in it. But you must identify what will be my first action, what will be my second action in the middle, and what will be my third action. ये first, second, third में बीच में भी कुछ और भी actions हो सकते हैं. कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि आप 3 ही एक्शन करेंगे. जैसे मैंने बोला कि आपने साउंड सुना, देखा, खत्म हो गया. So please don't get confused that I want only 3 actions. No, what I want is, I want you people to punctuate each of these actions into minimal 3 actions, which will be showing you the starting point of that action, middle of that action, and the end of that action. In between also there can be many actions are there. Suddenly you are peeping through window and your mobile आ गया, आपको कॉल आ गया, तो आप फोन करते भी बात कर सकते हैं. ये कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट बीच वाला एक्शन जो है ना, आप डिसाइड करेंगे कि बीच में आप उस एक्शन को कहां तक ले जाएंगे. जैसे एंड करना है, उसको आप कहां तक ले जाके उसको एंड करेंगे, ये आप डिसाइड करेंगे. समझ रहे हो ना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? इसका मतलब परिपूर्णता, the completeness of one single action needs to be planned in terms of a starting point and a middle point and an end point. That is what I want to explain. I think I'm clear, because for every action you need to you have to create, you have to assemble. See this, imagine leather, or you put it on a paper, or you practice those actions 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 के बीच में भी एक छोटे-छोटे एक्शंस हो सकते हैं. वो रहने दीजिए, वो भी करेंगे आप, वो भी करेंगे. उसकी कोई नहीं करना है ऐसा नहीं है. एवरी एक्शन में 3 ही एक्शन करना है ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं. But every action needs to be divided, at least divided into 3 different kinds of activities, which are very much important. One is a starting point, middle action, and then the third action. Okay. ये पूरा एक्ट देखने के बाद हमको लगना चाहिए कि this action is complete. This one action of just peeping through window is complete. This is not incomplete. Just by observing your actions, you should not feel that something is left out or something again, वो करने वाले थे नहीं किया और भी बाकी है, ऐसा हमें समझ में नहीं आना चाहिए. आप उस एक्शन को कंप्लीट करेंगे, ये मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा हूँ. अभी कोई डाउट है?
सर एक क्वेश्चन पूछ सकती हूँ?
आप पूछिए.
सर ये can we understand it as a storyboard thing if I am coming from a visual background कि हम एक एक्शन को प्लान कर रहे हैं, तो स्टोरी बोर्ड क्या ही बेसिस में ऐसे कुछ कंसेप्ट रहता है?
स्टोरी बोर्ड में थापा, स्टोरी बोर्ड इज समवट डिफरेंट. स्टोरी बोर्ड में क्या होता है कि you are going to describe all your actions on the left side. If at all something is there in a textual part, you will be writing on the right side. That is the storyboard, isn't it? In general, it happens like that. But what I am trying to say is, for each single action, there are, suppose you are doing 2-3 actions, like peeping through window and then opening the door, then doing something else and then something else. If I combine these 3 actions, first action need to be done by starting point, middle point, end point, and then again the second action which you are going to do, that should also have starting point, middle point, end point. Let us say I am lighting a fire. What is the purpose? What motivated me to lit a fire? That I will establish first. Suppose this will be my first action. Need not be your first action. Your first action can be different. You have just funnily taken a matchbox and try to lighting up. After lighting that, you thought to, burn some paper, and suddenly the paper has, started burning heavily. Then you want to put it that fire. It can be anything. It can be anything. Your starting point, your middle point, middle of the action, and your end of the action will be your own. But my main, the title of the action will be like lighting up the fire, peeping through window, opening a door. Opening a door. So I'm giving you 10 to 15 actions today. I hope anything else, anything you need to add before I spell out the actions for today? किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है?
सर ये हमको फोटोग्राफ करके भेजने हैं या ये मैं
वीडियो करना है मैडम? फोटोग्राफ से मुझे क्या पता चलेगा?
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू.
हाँ, so मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ so why we need to complete this action, that is also most important, isn't it? Why we need to complete every action? Because something which visually we are trying to explain the audience, so there should not be any miscommunication. उसमें कुछ रह ना जाए, उसमें action को completeness करना पड़ेगा. There are some actions which are purposefully done, isn't it? And we are going, suppose we are having some actions on stage, but we are not using the real properties. Suppose if you are having a hot cup of coffee, you are drinking it. Every time you will not be provided a hot cup of coffee to drink there and act, So then your action will be false if you are not doing completeness. Us completeness may we will lose many details. We take it very casually and we will forget that we are not carrying the real property. So completeness plan karke aap karenge every action. So that's what I'm saying. On stage or in a film or in a movie, while you see those actions, they may look like they are instantly happening, but they are well planned. Actor को कहाँ से कहाँ तक walk करना है, how he or she has to turn back, and how much he needs to turn back in the film, especially how much they have to turn back, and what kind of a shot it is planned. So these are all purposeful actions. So actor must need to practice the actions purposefully. How many steps you are going to walk towards what kind of a direction, towards which character you are walking. Or what about your looks? Every action needs to be a completeness, One shot, one single shot needs to be a perfectness. Then only the next shot will be added to that. Then the next shot will be added to that. So that by adding all these shots, it will become a sequence. All these sequences become a scene. And all the scenes will become a big movie, isn't it? In a theater also, every action needs to be planned. The property where it has been kept, how to reach that property, why we need to pick up that, we need to show that. While using that property also, we have to show the completeness, isn't it? Complete action. Otherwise, we'll be caught in the eyes of the audience that we are doing some false kind of an acting, which though it is not, we are pretending to do something, but it should look very much real, isn't it? We are trying for the very realistic kind of an acting to reach the assumptions of the audience that yes, we are using the real property. We are we are behaving like real people there. Though he is not my father, though he is not my son, but I need to show those relations the completeness, isn't it? So in order to truth, we are trying for the truth on the stage. So we need to be very careful while doing the actions or while speaking the lines on the stage. So we are purposefully doing. So every exercise, which we also practice in the name of acting training also, they need to be practiced very realistically and very truthfulness. Truthfulness is much more needed here. We are going to find the truth in that. What kind of an action if I am doing truthfully? If I am not doing it truthfully, तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा, आप ट्रूथफुलनेस यहाँ नहीं दिखा रहे हैं, तो आपको देखने वाला भी समझ जाएगा कि दिस एक्शन इज अ फॉल्स एक्शन. Though we are doing the acting, what we are trying to do, we are trying to portray that it is the real thing. Though we are carrying a dummy gun or a dummy knife, we want to show that this is the real gun or the real, knife or the real pen or real. That's why somebody said a table on the stage. A table on the stage is a theatrical table. It is not not only a table, it is a theatrical table. In the sense, it can be used in a different ways. That meaning, the moment you use it, it changes its meaning. Once, suppose I am sitting before a table to conduct this session. Now it has become a study table now. If same thing has been kept on the stage, if I am using for writing, reading and all that, it remains as a study table. But once I climb on the table and started to give some kind of an speech and all thing, it changes its value. It changes its value. So there is symbolically it can change into many things. So every action can be changed in a minute and a second before the eyes of the audience. So perfectness is very much needed. Once I close the light and I stand up on this same study table, it will become a different locale. It gives you a different level where I'm speaking to the audience or I'm speaking to somebody else, or my locale immediately changes, my context immediately changes. So without doing perfectness on that, whatever I'm using, whether it is a property or a costume or even my lines or my walk or my gestures, a completeness is needed, which we are going to purposefully practice that. Purposefully, we are going to practice that. So in order to reach that stage, we are going to practice certain actions here, which I'm going to list out now. These are the same actions which you have done, which I have given earlier also, like peeping through the window, okay, opening a door, searching for a ring, sleeping on the floor, arranging the furniture, lighting up the fire, opening a package, crawling on the ground using your both hands, digging something on the ground, exercise kar rahe hain aap, so writing on a paper or a surface, okay, tearing a paper, and taking 5 steps. These are some actions: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 actions I have tried to chalk down here. So all these actions need to be practiced. You can practice with the real properties if you want. Real properties से करने से और भी आपको believability आएगी. I suggest use some property into that and try to do with this punctuating your actions. Now you are punctuating your actions. First thing I am going to do this. Second thing I am going to do this. Third, to act. Third, to complete this action, I am going to do like this. You plan करो पहले. इस एक्शन को करने के लिए, हर एक्शन को प्लान करने के लिए प्लान करो. और प्लान करने में मैं ये भी बोल रहा हूँ कि why you are doing that also you have to decide. Then only you can do the actions. Just don't do randomly actions. हाँ, सर ने बता दिया peeping through window हो गया. किसके लिए किया आपने? पता नहीं. That should not be the case. You must be able to explain why you are doing this. Why you are doing this. That is the most important thing. इसका मतलब इसका pretext बनाना, उसका संदर्भ create करना. In which context you are going to do such kind of an action, you must decide. Okay, you must decide those actions. You must do those 3 minimum, punctuating your actions while doing one single physical activity called peeping through window, maybe opening a door, or arranging the furniture, lighting up the fire. Lighting up the fire तो ये हो गया ना. This is lighting up the fire. This is one simple exercise, simple activity. But I want this simple activity into 3 kinds of punctuating actions. Why you are maybe, what is the starting point of you are doing lighting up the fire? What happens in the middle and what happens in the end of the action? Okay. Still, if you find any difficulty of understanding this, you can ask before I go further. Anybody?
Good evening, sir. This is Rohit here.
Rohit, tell me.
So when you said about punctuating the actions,
Yeah.
That process also has to be documented visually, or that is more that was okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Is it possible to share the list in the group, Manoj? Every time I need to become a typist. That is the problem. I will try. I'll try, Manoj. I'll try to give the list in the time. Okay. Anything else?
So you had given the list in WhatsApp also.
Yeah. मैं दूंगा for the benefit of the people who are there today. I will also try to give the list entire. No problem. Sushil Kumar, you need to mute your microphone. It is giving the yeah. Anybody else? Any other questions for today? Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, my
Who is
question
this?
Sir, my
कौन
name
है?
is
Vicky, हाँ बोलो.
So my question is that we have to write each context under those videos, and we have to write those actions also that we are planning or punctuating. You have to write those things.
You need not write anything, my dear. You have to do the action. That's all. Whatever the planning, if you want to plan it on a paper, you can plan it, and you need not send it to me. Those action needs to be performed. And the videos, you can send it for a 2 minutes video, 1 minute video. Okay.
Okay, so we have just to send videos, not the...
Yeah, not the writing. Writing part, who needs that? Writing aapke liye hai. To understand that action, what you are going to do in this starting point, middle point, end point, you can note down.
Okay.
You can now note down. Voice is trimmed. I don't understand what is that.
So, Sukreen, Jeromia. So, Sukreen, I have shared the list that you had shared in the WhatsApp group just now in the chat window.
Okay. Anyway, I'll type those things. If you want, I can send it. So, I've given a couple of exercises in speech also. Seshu का मैंने दिया था. Seshu का बहुत सारे context I have given Seshu. Okay. I will try to again do something. Next, my counseling class would be on voice and speech. I'll try to speak something on voice and speech. In the meantime, I would like to request you people to read some of the plays which are available for you. कोई नाटक अगर आपको मिलता है, whether it is English, Hindi, whatever the language you feel comfortable, you just read that and उसको मुझे बताइए कि आपने पढ़ा क्या है उसमें. And we need some details about that. What is the play? All practicals need to be sent on email yet. Right, Rohit, you need to send it to me so that I will be knowing that you are working on that. Otherwise, there is no problem. Yeah, even after giving some exercises, if you are not sending it, it's okay for me, but I don't know about you people. So I need to check. I need to get the feedback that yes, you people are working on those exercises, so that it is for the understanding. It is a better understanding between you and me. With a particular list of the plays. No. I am not giving you any list of the plays. So if I started giving the list of the plays, it will be difficult for you people to find out them. So there are many plays are available in the internet also, in Hindi also, English also. But start with anything, any kind of a play which you would like to, and वो थोड़ा उसको पढ़ लीजिए कोई भी चीज, है ना, ताकि हम उसके ऊपर किसी के ऊपर बात कर सकें. So that any language, any play which you can get it from internet or from any other source, maybe a nearby library, or if you already have some stock with you, you can do it. But don't try to read your own plays. Like there may be some writers in this group also, I can understand. Don't try to go for your own work. For example, talk about Oedipus complex. I'm not, don't make it. Don't make it that very tough thing. Oedipus complex and Hamlet thinking in the Macbeth.
Sir, what about Cinderella? The story of Cinderella in the form of a play, we have those topics. So can we select something that way?
Yeah, anything which is already texted. anything which is already texted, not devised now.
सिंड्रेला छोटे बच्चों की कहानी नहीं हो जाएगी
भैया? मैं आपको पढ़ने की आदत डालने के लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ना कि हम उसके ऊपर कोई काम करने वाले हैं. Make you people to understand the different things. I am just asking you to read the place. I'm not going to do Cinderella, or I'm not going to do Oedipus Rex, not even Hamlet. So what I'm trying to see is just read those things in terms of those texts and all that, selection of sentences, selection of the many things which we are going to talk. Is there any practical assignment to be written, or can be, what is that? Who was that? Chat में अभी आया, क्या था वो? I'm not able to get that. Anyway.
Sir, can we also read some regional
Hello.
language?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes. Who is
Hello.
that? Rajan Kumar, you want to speak?
हेलो सर, मतलब जब प्रैक्टिकल असाइनमेंट लिखना पड़ेगा या आपके वीडियो को सेंड करना पड़ेगा? मैं वही पूछ रहा था
भैया. मैं अभी बताया था यार, वीडियो ही चाहिए मुझे. क्या लिखोगे? लिखने की बात नहीं है, एक्शन के बारे में लिखना नहीं है, हमको देखना है ना आपका एक्शन. इट नीड नॉट बी रिटन असाइनमेंट तो हो गया ना. OVA1, OVA2, OTH 002 दो असाइनमेंट्स थे, मैंने ग्रुप में भी फॉरवर्ड किया. नवंबर 30 तक उसका लास्ट डेट है. उसका रिटन असाइनमेंट भेज दो, है ना? उसका रिटन असाइनमेंट भेज दो. ये तो अभी काम सिर्फ काम का है, हमको कोई भी लिखाई पढ़ाई नहीं चाहिए. आपका काम देखना चाहते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है? ये मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ. अभी उसके साथ साथ एक आध छोटा मोटा नाटक भी पढ़ लो, वन एक्ट पढ़ लो. डोंट गो फॉर बिग प्लेस, जस्ट ट्राई टू रीड ओनली वन एक्ट प्लेस व्हिच आर वेरी स्मॉल, है ना? कोई भी छोटा मोटा वन एक्ट पढ़ लीजिए.
Good evening, sir. Anjali here. So, sir, everything that you just gave us right now, all the assignments that you just gave us right now.
Hey, Ranjan Kumar. Ranjan Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Please mute your microphone, please. Somebody is speaking. Yeah, Anjali, tell me.
Yes, sir. So I was saying all the assignments that you just gave us. These are basically classwork practice exercises for us, right?
Yes.
Assignment नहीं है ना,
नहीं यार, कौन बोला assignment? नहीं, these are the practical. I will tell you when I am going to ask you for assignments.
All right, sir.
Clearly, I'll tell you these are the assignments, practical assignments. You need to do this, and you will be sending them in the name of assignments for the assessment. Now, I am not assessing you anything like that. I'm just seeing that how your people are going to work on those particular things which I am going to explain. I'm trying to explain in that session how you are putting up your minds. And आशु चतुर्वेदी, उसको 15 तक मत खींचो, November 30th तक कर दो. Though it is extended up to December 15, it may go up beyond that also. Why you wait for last date? You know why people are always trying to wait for last date?
Sir, Sukrin Jeromia, sir, I have one doubt regarding the written assignment. So the notes that you have sent us through that IGNOU website, we need to read through those notes and then write out like an answer. It's like a question answer format, right, sir?
Yes.
Or can we write it in our own words or give example from our own understanding?
Yes, you can do that. You can do that. Okay. No issue.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. My concern is कि don't wait for the last date. Yeah, who is that? कौन बोल रहे हैं?
I'm Sus.
हाँ बोलो. आपका वॉइस ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है, सुशील. I'm not able to listen your voice. सुशील क्या बोल रहे हो?
Right.
Anyway, you can give. चार्ट में लिख दो आप जो बोलना चाह रहे हो. आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है. ओके, फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्लास आई वांट यू पीपल टू रीड आउट वन एक्ट. कोई भी वन एक्ट पढ़ लो, कोई भी छोटा मोटा नाटक, आधा घंटे का जो भी है, अपना इंटरेस्ट का कोई भी पढ़ लो. ऐसा कोई लिस्ट नहीं है आपको. फिर आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग यू टू आई एम ट्राइंग टू व्हाट आई मीन टू से कि inculcate the habit of reading certain plays so that you can understand. what exactly goes into that business of playwriting or plays and all that, and the very structure of that play and all that. And later we can discuss something called diction, selection of the sentences and selection of the phrases and all that stuff we are going to discuss. Maybe in the next session we'll be talking something on diction. We'll be having a look at the syllabi and what we need to be continued, because I've uploaded a couple of the videos, and for the last sessions also I'm trying to upload every session so that the people who have missed this they can have this class. The next class would be day after tomorrow. Okay, the next session will be day after tomorrow. Okay, for today I stop here. Anything you want to ask for today's session, you people are welcome, otherwise you will wind up. Yes, Sushil, you need to send the videos. Yeah, if there are no questions, I'll stop the session for today. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Good evening.
Thank you guys.
Sir,
Thank you.
Sir, Supreme here. So just wanted to ask, the play that you have told us to read, we just need to keep the summary in our mind. That's it, right? Once we have read the play.
Yes.
That's it. Nothing,
yes.
No discussion or anything. That will happen in the next class, right?
No.
Okay.
You're right.
Thank you very much.
Right. Okay, good day guys. Bye. Take care.